Hello, Zach, and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya. Today I want to share with you some information that I think is relevant for you to increase the traffic to your website and attract more customers. So I'm going to be covering your website, the front page. I will also be going through the Google Business Profile as well as backlinks. So let's start with your front page. I can see that you have here the click to call button. You have links to the different services that you provide, a very short description of those services, a brief intro of the company. I love that you have call to action buttons throughout the front page, so that's really good. The reasons why to work with you, your availability, um, and then you have testimonials and reviews over here, and then location details and a little bit more of your services. So overall, it's a well laid out front page and easy to use, making it easy for anyone to reach out to you, anyone using a mobile phone to reach out to you. In terms of content, right now you have 1,391 words, which is really good because, well, the sweet spot for Google is to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words, but you are actually very close. If we have a look at Baker Brothers, these guys have 1,198 words. And if we could look at Reeves, these guys have 719 words. So you're actually beating them out. And it's important to have content because through content is that you're able to include those relevant value intent keywords or the way people perform their searches in Google. Basically, that's what you want because you actually want Google to find you for those. And what I mean by that is that I came here to the Google search and I type in plumbers Dallas, and the first section that you see is the Google Ads, which is really good at driving traffic and actually getting leads. And you probably know that because you're actually advertising here at the top. Now, the second section is what we call the Google Business Profile, and this section drives between 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank at the top, you need optimized and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you also need to be listed on directories. And the name, address, and phone number need to match exactly the same way as those in your Google Business Profile, so that Google can verify those details, and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. So that's perhaps one of area for you to target, the Google Business Profile. Now, the third section is the Google Organic Search. Here is where I found your competitors, and to rank here at the top, you need something that we call backlinks. So to analyze that, I use a tool called Ahrefs, and right now I am looking at your website. This tool allows me to analyze the backend of a website, and I can see that there are 23 external websites directing traffic towards yours through 120 backlinks. If I look at Baker Brothers, these guys have 106 external websites directing traffic towards theirs through 250, and Reeves, these guys have 180 external websites directing traffic towards theirs through 1,210 backlinks. So it's important to have a look at this backlink profile and just make sure that the websites in which those backlinks are nested or embedded are actually related to the services and to the industry that you operate in, so that you can signal to Google that your company and your website is actually an authority in that particular topic. Now, your website is being found for 92 organic keywords. So in this view, I can see what those keywords are. So these ones on the left. The search volume is the number of times that keyword is searched for per month, and the position is in which position you are appearing for that particular keyword in the Google organic search. So for example, this value intent keywords, plumbing in Dallas, has a search volume of 200, and you're in position 38. 24-hour plumbers Dallas has a search volume of 20, but you're still on position 32. So let's have a look at Baker Brothers. These guys are being found for 1,400 organic keywords, and I highlighted in here just this one. So Plumber Dallas has a search volume of 1,000, and because they're in the second position, they were able to drive 96 visits to their websites. But you can see here that they're actually ranking now in the first position for quite a few value intent keywords. So, and that they're able to drive more traffic to their website. So that's the reason why You want to identify what these keywords are because you want to maximize the number of times that your website is in front of potential customers, because then a percentage of those are going to end up in your website, another percentage is going to reach out to you, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert into new customers. And that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I really hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use the information to boost the traffic to your website. And please don't forget to give me some feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.